So it's been a while. So we're here at a factory. I'm at my friend's, Tina's mom, printing factory. So I'm gonna tour the place and make like a little video for the factory. I don't know. We're gonna see if I can make a good promo video. We're gonna head straight to the factory. I'm gonna start shooting video. So here's the promo video now. Here it is now. Alright, so yeah, that's the video. I don't really have much else to say except that that was my first time actually making like a video. Or actually I take that back, maybe like the second time or third time that I actually made a video for something. I don't know if Tina's mom and her company will actually be using that video, but it was just good practice for me to see if I can make something like that. But I am in Taiwan right now as I'm filming this. And so I'm like 2 countries behind on videos, and I really need to get back on it and really speed through all this editing. So I don't have much else to say except look forward to the next video. It's going to be a clothing video. So if you like clothes, there's a new clothing brand that's starting up in Vietnam, and I got the pleasure to work with them on some marketing stuff. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.